Hey guys, this is Justin with Beast Mode Trading Club. I just wanted to make this quick video. It's going to be real fast here. Now this is a vector vest. This is a tool I use for many different things. This in particular here is market timing. I have put every single, well not every single, but I have put all kinds of indicators on this chart and they are all just screaming buy. Now this is on a 3-day time frame. Let's go to a weekly. What's 6-day? Oh, okay, so it's let's check the 9-day. Yeah, I mean, we're confirming down the board here on all indicators that market timing right now, this is when you want to pick up your discounts. This is how you make your real money. When it comes to when people are scared in the market, and with over 10 million new accounts created last year, they don't know how to invest. They don't know what they're doing. And that's, excuse me, that's not their fault. They just don't know what they're doing. So, whereas we know what we're doing, we can look at these market timing statistics and really think, I'm just gonna keep accumulating. And that's also a strategy, by the way, an accumulation strategy. You just keep accumulating slowly in the positions that you want. We are in a bear market. I feel like it's going to be this way for a while because of Wall Street bets, and they're actually making some noise again. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. Just let you guys know that the market timing right now is a pretty good deal. Beast Mode Trading Club out.